Okay, where we are. Each and every day you want to learn something new. Before teaching out today's point, I want to give recap. Those points are already teach from my side. Which are these points? Just I give the name of that is current, electricity and magnetism. When you study about that, lessons are there each and every day. You want to discuss new points with braille, with description allowed. When you study about the lesson, which start? First of all, those titles, those headlines, those new dish in front of head student. What is this? Current, electricity and magnetism. First of all, I tell relative nature in between them. If you learn about them are there, that time I say there is a perfect catenation, join, attachment. Each and every can be dependent upon each other. That's what two physical quantities added with each other. From my point of angle, electromagnetic induction, EMI, these are the big theory related with this. But from 8th standard, you want to tell how they are dependent. That's what title, current, electricity and magnetism. When you learn about, first of all, they ask a question, what is the intrascopic structure of atom? That time he, from that point of angle, he want to attach, capture, only tell about electrons which are present in outermost cells. Because of electron, everyone can be created. Electron is the basic reason to form current, electricity. After one, he tried to explain which first word can be said in the title, current. What do you mean by current? Suppose that water flow from high to low, current. Ebonite rod mix on that, current. After one saw there clouds, lighting of strike in sky, from sky to earth, that are. If it is worse are there, that time after them he shorter. What do you mean by electric current? Electric current means flow of electrons. After one we study about electrostatic level. What do you mean by level? Level decide direction of flow of current. Next part, that lesson devote in another way. Potential difference. Sir, what do you mean potential difference? What is the role of battery as soon as they imposes in connecting circuit? We also study. After one, potential difference measure in volt. Today, which point you learn now today related with magnetism? It is known as teaching point. Sir, what you learn now? Teaching point. Listen to what is. Today we can be discussing about electromagnetism. Electromagnetism. Sir, what do you mean by electromagnetism? Electric current is where magnetism is different. But is it saying one scientist is there, he has interest in doing various electrical equipments. He can be seated at one corner. I said the name of scientist, Hans Christian Ørsted. Once again I say, Hans Christian Ørsted. These are the British scientists. He says that electricity and magnetism both are related. Not that. He says that electricity producing magnetism. How? From 8th standard, how electromagnetism are. Just in mind, suppose that think about I am taking an empty matchbox. See student what I do. Not Robert Harding Whittaker. Robert Harding Whittaker doing another acceptation. I sit at one corner, I do various experiments which can be carried at one side. But by chance or fortunately or unfortunately, magnetic needle kept at one side. When you start electric current, that time magnetic needle got deflected. Amazing, surprising criteria it can be occur. Because of this is that EMI say electricity and magnetism both radical phenomena. From that point of angle, for 8th standard student, simple electronic experiment, which is different. Suppose that we can be taken empty matchbox which is unused, not utilized right for home apparatus. If it is kept there, that time it is covered by number of copper wires. What I do here. Number of copper connecting loops can be covered overall body of that matchbox. After once are there, take a magnetic needle. Sir, what do you mean magnetic needle? Magnetic needle have two poles, one N and S. What this say? Sir, whatever magnetic needles are there, magnetic needles show two tips. First is the sound ending. Second is the north ending. I want to observe how magnetic field can be present in between them. Because of that technological apparatus I detected, I observe, I catch in between somewhat field is present. That sign can be provided by that apparatus which is suitably, peacefully and comfortably can be placed in matchbox. That's why that arrangement I can do. Second of all, I complete circuit. Suppose that are the key. Afterwards I can be added battery and that connected to pre-end. Another one end is also free. Here is also that connected in the form of key, battery and join with another. Which I do. Suppose that next arrangement which can be proposed for me, I take bar. Bar have two poles, second N and S, which I do. First of all, those north pole which can be showing for bar magnet close to that magnetic needle. What I say. If electric current flowing through that simple electronic circuit, that time connecting wire which is connected in the form of overall body of matchbox showing their deflection. I want to observe that deflection. That time which I firstly do, north pole of bar magnet toward the point, not that stop here. I observe the deflection of that galvanometer, that magnetic needle. That time magnetic needle goes on deflection. Another side. Another way, I can be using south pole. Another south pole can be reached toward the point. Observe the deflection of galvanometer. Galvanometer or that magnetic needle showing opposite deflection. So why it is occur? In between magnetic coil and magnet. In between magnetic coil and magnet. Somewhat region, somewhat space, somewhat field, somewhat collective area which shows that is am I close with you. I effect on you. What I say? I effect on you. That is known as magnetic field. Another